Hello students, let us learn English grammar phrases. What are phrases? Let us see the definition. A phrase is a group of related words that is used as a single part of speech and that does not contain both a verb and its subject. Example, could have been looking, no subject. There is no subject in this sentence. In the backyard, no subject, no verb. That is, a phrase is a group of words that does not make a complete sense. For example, the cat sits on the mat. On the mat is a phrase because it consists of group of words but does not make complete sense. Let us see examples. With soft brown fur, under the dining table, after the high school football game, all these are phrases. Adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words that describes a noun or pronoun in a sentence. The adjective phrase can be placed before or after the noun or pronoun in a sentence. So what it describes? It describes a noun or pronoun in a sentence. And where it is placed? It can be placed before or after the noun or pronoun. Let us see the examples. She had extremely menacing eyes. Here in the sentence, menacing is an head adjective. Extremely menacing is an adjective phrase and eyes is a noun. Here, adjective phrase modifies the noun. That is, extremely menacing modifies the eyes. Let us see second example. The dog covered in mud is mine. Here, the dog is a noun. Covered is an head adjective and covered in mud is an adjective phrase. That is, covered in mud modifies the dog. That is, adjective phrase modifies the noun. Let us see more examples. First, the girl in the red shirt is my little sister. In the red shirt, here is an adjective phrase that modifies the pronoun girl. Second example. Are the shoes under the chair yours? Under the chair, here is an adjective phrase that modifies a noun shoes. Adverb phrase. An adverb phrase refers to a phrase that often plays the role of telling us when, where, why or how an event occurred, in which the adverb functions as the head word of the phrase. For example, baseball has become very popular in our town. Here, in our town is an adverb phrase. Where has the baseball become popular? In our town. It tells us where it is popular. Second example. The flowers will bloom in spring. When the flowers will bloom? In spring. So in spring here is an adverb phrase. Third example. Helen did not go to school on account of the bad weather. Why did Helen not go to school? On account of bad weather. So, on account of bad weather, here is an adverb phrase. Let us see noun phrase. A noun phrase refers to a phrase that built upon a noun which function as a head word of the phrase. According to its external syntax, a noun phrase may function as a subject, as an object and as a complement. For example, those boys play tennis very well. Those boys here is a noun phrase and it functions as a subject. Second example, my friend sold his old car. Old car here is a noun phrase as it functions as an object. Let us see third example. He is a dentist. A dentist here is a noun phrase as it functions as a complement. So students, today we have learned phrases.